Hello and good evening, everyone. For those of you joining us right now, I'm Antoinette Antonio, and I know we have people here from all across the country, from California, from New Jersey, from all over the place, maybe even some people from the Philippines. So for those of you that don't know, I'm a morning news anchor here in the Boston area. I anchor the Eye Opener newscast for WCVB here in Boston, which is the ABC affiliate. I was born in California. I've lived in Texas, New Mexico before coming here to Boston. My parents are from the Philippines. They were both from the Metro Manila area, and they came to California in 1980 and had me in California. So while I have been, was born and raised in the US, my roots in the Philippines are very, very deep. So with that, I would like to thank you for being here this evening and let you know what we're all here for and what this is all about. This is an educational series. It's meant to provide reliable information about COVID-19. Our panelists are primary care physicians who are active in practice here in the New England area. They're going to be answering some of your questions during a Q&A session. This webinar is meant to provide the most accurate and up-to-date information that we have right now about COVID-19. The content of this program is not intended to be any substitute whatsoever for professional medical advice. The panelists carefully prepared today's webinar using reliable sources, knowing that more definitive information about COVID-19 is still forthcoming. As I'm sure you've all heard from the news, there is still so much we don't know about it at this point. So our goal right now is to help everyone joining us, help you, the audience, understand what we do know about COVID-19 right now. None of the speakers have any relevant financial information or relationships, I should say, to disclose. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our speakers. First off, I'd like to tell you about Dr. Candy Buencamino-Francisco. She is currently the president of the Philippine Medical Association of New England. She finished her undergraduate bachelor degree in biology with high honors on the accelerated track. She completed medical school from the prestigious University of Santo Tomas in Manila as magna cum laude. After completing her residency in internal medicine, she specialized in women's health at the Cleveland Clinic in Ohio. She has additional certification from the North American Menopause Society, and she's currently practicing primary care right now as a physician at the Brigham and Women's Health Harbor Medical Association here in Hingham, Massachusetts. Also with us this evening is Dr. Richmond Ramirez. He's a family physician practicing in Rhode Island at Kent Hospital and Thunder Mist Health Center. He's a graduate of the University of the Philippines College of Medicine. He completed his residency training at Penn State Hershey Medical Center. He also holds a faculty appointment at Brown University and is currently the public relations officer for the Philippine Medical Association of New England. And last but certainly not least, I'd like to introduce Dr. Grace Perez-Lirio. She's an internist and primary care physician at Beth Israel Lahey Healthcare. She is also the medical director for the After Hours Clinic at Beth Israel Needham Hospital. She holds a faculty appointment at Harvard Medical School and Tufts University School of Medicine. Of course, active in her community, she is a delegate of the Charles River District of the Massachusetts Medical Society. And as if all of that is not enough, she is also a volunteer physician at a local hotel right now that temporarily houses recently hospitalized COVID-19 positive patients. So before we get everything started, I do want to thank all of you for being with us. Thank you, doctors, for being with us. And thank you so much for what you're doing on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic. We know it's a big risk to your health and your safety and that of your families, and we thank you so much.